Where's my own food?
Oh, it's on the fire. It'll be ready very soon.
My food is still on the fire. Shay, you see you don't have single sense. My food is still on the fire. That fire will burn you. That fire will fire you.
Don't understand. Please, see, can we just stop with the insults? As soon as the food is ready, I will bring it to you. I'm doing the best that I can.
You're warning me. Okay, you're warning me now. I should not insult you. As per what?
Bianca, it's okay. You can have mine. I'll just wait.
What? See, Scarlett, Scarlett, you're the cause of this nonsense. You're the reason why this bombastic element, this idiot, has the power to insult me. You're the reason, oh, Scarlett. You're the reason.
I'm sorry, excuse me, please. I understand that I'm working here as a cook, but that doesn't give you the right to insult me like that. You're calling me a bombastic element just because of what?
See this imbecile? Because of what? Do your worst, mad people. And go and clear that plate. Once you're done, clear that plate! Imbecile!
Wow.
Waka shege mugege.
I'm so sorry.
No, I should be.
No, it's fine. Let me go get the. I'll go get the broom and I'll pack it. I'm
It's
fixing it.
okay, no, you don't have to be sorry. Wow.
That's really funny. Why the guy is like? Yeah? I don't go in house, no dey there. Check out for shop, no dey there. Don't dey walk out for street like mad person. Can't wahala be this.
Merci. Merci.
Punch up a bit.
I'm not going to be able to waka before I take this food. I go that first street, go Toast inside, go the third street self. I don't see any work. Now one Igbo woman like this just call me and say, "Make I go and take soup." Like say she see the hunger from my eye. The soup no get meat, no get fish, but at least you feel go and chop your over.
Brother, when this suffering will end? Every day, now like this. No food, no money, no help from anywhere. We go beg before we go fit chop. Brother, I don't tire. I don't tire.
That's what we not go do now, say we not go complain now. We just understand, say God put us for this situation because He wants to teach us lesson. For the Bible, it talks, say, weeping may endure for the night, but joy cometh in the morning. Lord mercy, I want joy to come.
Brother, now God go punish that boy wey lie for your head. Now him be the cause of everything. If you go be say he carry fake story, go give your oga. Before not dey this condition. God go judge am. God go punish am, punish him generation.
You stop there, wetin dey worry you? That's what they do for this family. That's what I teach you. See, that boy, he don't do anything like this. Go leave him to God. If na good, he go receive for wetin you do. Make you receive him. If na bad, make you receive him. But no be we go use our own energy to cause person. And we say, if God see our hearts, you know, say we don't do better. He will give us better when the time reach. You hear me so? Look me if I follow you talk, you hear me?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, chop your food so that you can fit take this one down.
But I don't go chop.
No, I don't chop for me. I be man, I don't do okay like this. This chop. I didn't need them so that you can take this down.
But I never chop since morning.
I will be okay. The food don't be inside your belly. Don't like say it inside my belly.
Brother, it's sure for your eye. Your eye said don't red. Brother, join me when we chop this food though.
When you chop, I come bless the food sweet for I did.
Brother, join me, come chop.
Yes,
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, my daughter.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Ooh,
You look so amazing.
okay, clock it. Okay, Dad, so today is Clara's birthday and you know she's my friend and I have to be there and I cannot be late.
Yeah. It's okay, dear.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, Dad, I just want to thank you for the allowance. Dad, you keep spoiling me. I just don't know how to thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
You're welcome. Anything from my one and only daughter.
Emphasis on one and only.
Okay, make sure you have all the fun, okay? But you must come back home quick. Don't stay out late.
I don't get it, Dad. Are you now policing me?
If you don't come back home quick, trust me, I'll put a call through to your mother.
Really? Oh, like she's going to fly down from America to come and say, don't go anywhere. Daddy, you know you're joking. Bye, Dad. Bye. Uncle. Hello, Uncle.
Scarlett, my darling. Good evening. How are you doing? I'm
sorry I missed your call.
Fine, Uncle. How are you doing too?
I just listened to your voice note.
See, it's okay. I understand how busy you can get. It's fine. I promise I'm not even complaining at all.
I just listened to the voice note you sent.
Yes, I wanted to have a verbal conversation, but I couldn't reach you, and I understand that you're busy. I don't want to bother you at all, so I said let me drop a voice note.
Disturb me? Come on, Scarlett. You should know by now that nothing from you is ever disturbance. Scarlett, you are my child. Why would you feel the need to seek my permission before coming to stay with your uncle? This is your home. Everything I have is yours. Have you forgotten so soon? I raised you since you were 3 years old.
You're right, Uncle. Thank you so much. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm probably asking for too much, but just hearing you say this right now, I feel so much better. Thank you.
Asking too much? Never. Scarlett, you are family. You are my blood.
Okay, Uncle, I hear you. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Brother. You dey come out?
Some to come, he say, get on pepper, want to do party. We'll make a cook for 20 people. He don't brag, tell them, say, I me cook fast for this area, so I'm going to try to see why they will give me the job.
That's good news, brother. I'm happy for you. In fact, he must give you that job because you dey cook like magic.
You won't start the wine me again. Which one say cook like magic? You want to pull my leg?
Hey, brother, on a serious note right now, the jollof rice wey you cook today bang well, brother. Everything enter. The pepper balance. I lick pot. It makes small make I even chop pot, brother.
You know why I lick pot? You lick pot because hunger won't kill you. Because that rice where I cook now, concussion rice where I don't even put rice where I use in tomato cook now, you say now ain't be kill.
Brother, rice na rice. Yes, so.
Voila. Just say wish me luck, sha. He said make I go do like sample cooking. So if I pass the sample cooking, then we're gonna give me the job to cook for those 20 people. So just they pay for me.
Brother, make I tell you something. Brother, just cook jollof rice. Now there your strength today. When you cook am like this, he must give you that job.
You sure?
Don't get rival.
You sure?
Yes, so brother.
I didn't say I will cook a 4 for them or a goosey.
Brother, jollof rice like this. When he chop am, he must give you that job, say.
So I bargain. Voila, take care.
Alright.
Bianca, wake up. Oh God. Morning. It is way past morning. Bianca, good afternoon.
Huh? What? I didn't know. I didn't know I slept till afternoon.
You came back yesterday drunk, exhausted, barely stand.
I'm such a bad drinker. I just told them at the bar that I just wanted one, and then look at me now.
Of course, I guess drinking is not your strength. Anyways, tell me what you want to eat. I want to order lunch.
I don't understand that. What about Chioma? When is she resuming? It's been 2 weeks. Are we going to keep on eating outside? That I'm sick and tired of us ordering takeout and everything. I'm tired.
Bianca,
Homemade fuel.
have you forgotten that she went for her exams? And you and I agreed to give her that time.
That the exams or not, it doesn't still change anything. Are we not paying her? That they see me, I want homemade food. I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't understand.
Maybe, just maybe, for once, step in. to the kitchen and prepare something for us.
Me? Daddy, you know that's not possible. Me, I don't like to cook. Me and kitchen, we're like this. I don't enjoy to cook everything. We should get a chef. I don't know why we would have a chef and then the chef is not useful.
Anyway, that reminds me. Your cousin is coming to stay with us here in Lagos.
I don't understand. Cousin Scarlett?
Yes.
God forbid.
Scarlett.
How do you?
She's coming for her PhD program here in Lagos. Apparently, the course she wants is not been offered by the university where she did her master's. So, she's coming to stay with us.
Dad, I don't understand you. I don't understand you. When she left, you told me that she's leaving forever. So when is she coming back again to come and do what here again? That girl has been a pain in our life. We've been seeing her. I'm tired of seeing her since childhood. Let her stay in our house now.
Because you and I are the only family she has.
Not a family.
Her mother was my only sister. And she lost her mother. And a year after she lost her mother, her father died. She deserves every support that she gets from us. So she's coming and she's staying with us.
I don't understand. Why would her parents even go quick? Why? Why would they leave her quick? Daddy, see, you've been nurturing that girl since she was 3 years old. Daddy, you've done a lot. Let her not come here, please. I don't want to see her here. She should not come.
Will you shut up, you brat?
Doesn't she have a family member? I don't understand.
Listen, she comes, she stays, and that's tomorrow.
Ah.
Hey, what do you think like this now? I beg, shake this thing come for body. This is no rich to think like that.
I just feel like they took that thing from village. Anytime we something good will happen to person, something will just come from there, spoil her. Yeah? Okay, I think say I could get job. For this kitchen job with that, when you introduce me to, I think say I will get the job. The next thing, the girlfriend, the brother, friend don't come, don't pay for the kitchen. She buy no enter my pocket. And I don't go there, don't go cook something cooking for them. Okay, if I want aside now, my sister Mercy, pass her jam, pass her flying colors. 25 university, don't give her my admission first list. I don't get money to pay for the admission. Okay, we'll go down on her side. Her chest, where they pen her. Doctor don't say, okay, 400,000, make everything do okay. So that she will do well. Okay, man. Well, it's what's one drug where you say, I use money so that she could die for my hand. I don't still get money pay for that one. Now you have to collect money from her. Make I go to borrow money from my side. I'm tired. I'm tired. What you mean like say, God just come, just take my life. We can just say I don't die. We can just say I don't die. Because if I don't die, this person is going to suffer all this thing again.
I beg, never reach like that. I beg. See, I understand what you dey talk. I understand. I understand. See, it never reach to day like this now. Eh? Before you know it, na frustration go enter. I beg, na man you be. If you do like this, then what you want make Messi do? Eh? Go hold yourself strong. Hold Messi strong, I beg. Eh? See, one thing I know, one thing I'm very, very sure of is that it don't rough today. But it don't rough. But tomorrow must be better. Be go now. I beg.
I can't hear you.
It's not the end of the world now.
Oh my God, Bianca. It's so good to see you. How have you been? And you look so well, so good. I've actually missed you. How have you been?
Hi.
Hi. I mean, what have you been up to these days?
Good. I want to watch a movie. So.
I was actually watching that.
Oh, you were?
Yes, I was.
You know what? I think it's time I refresh your memory. You said this house? This is my father's house. So if you want to sit down to watch a movie, I think it's best you go to your own father's house. What do you think?
Come on. Babes, we're grown now. Why don't you just let go of all this drama?
Newsflash. My friends call me the drama queen. You see? So I can never let go of it. It's just so hard, like I wear it with pride. Don't you think so?
Okay. So, what is it this time?
Okay. You know what? I don't like you. I never liked you and I never will. You see, you left this house and I don't know why you came back. What do you want?
No, you seem to forget. I am your cousin.
And I don't care. I don't like you. Don't you get it? You left here. Why did you come back here? What do you want?
Actually, just a moment. Let me take...
Take the call and leave. Take and go, please.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I've just been trying to settle in, you
didn't
know.
complain, right?
It's all nice and cool in here. It's just too... Yeah, apart from some minor inconveniences, nothing important. Yes. I'm Gucci. 100, yeah.
Uncle, you like the food?
But, Scarlett, my daughter,
Yes, Uncle.
you know, for the past 2 years, I've missed this taste. In fact, your hands are truly blessed.
Thank you, Uncle. If I'm being honest, I have also missed cooking here as well.
You can say that again. Bianca, dinner is ready. Come join us.
Oh, well, Dad, I am not hungry.
You've been craving for homemade meals for the past few days. Scarlett has worked her magic at it.
What magic? No, Dad, what do you mean by magic? Magic what? Magic poison magic hand or what? Oh, so you don't know? Dad, I know all of our plans in this house, but trust me, those plans will come to an end today. Let me just tell you something, Scarlett. Because I've been so kind to allow you to cook your poison food in this house doesn't mean that I'm stupid.
Bianca.
Why are you calling my name? Why are you calling my name? For what reason? You ugly vulture. You foolish girl. Stupid thing. Following man up and down, useless human being.
Bianca, what's wrong with you?
Dad, just leave me alone, no? Dad, just leave me alone. If you know you love me, just leave me alone. Dad, I know our plan, so. But I've been hearing this. Keep it quiet. I'm not stupid. Your plan will fail in this house.
Bianca, I will not let you insult me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So I'm talking, you're talking.
Yes.
I'm talking, you're talking.
What are you going to do?
Oh, wow. Can you see? Can you see how prepared she is? She stood up and she held her waist. That's to tell you that she's going to have a plan in this house.
Girl, I do not like trouble, but I don't run away from trouble.
Yes. Professional. Now your plan has failed. Daddy, this girl here says so. She's so evil. All those following men up and down. She's a useless human being.
So what are you going to do? What exactly can you do? Nothing. Other than blab, 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 like a jobless person. There's nothing more
So,
you can do.
Scarlett, you want to see what I will do?
Yes, show me what you can
You're
do.
daring me, oh. Scarlett, you're daring
You
me.
can call it whatever you want. There's absolutely
Okay.
nothing you can do. Watch what I'll do. Watch me.
Scarlett, watch me.
What?
Yes. That's what.
What is wrong with you?
Food that I made.
Mm-hmm.
You must be very, very stupid.
What? What is wrong with both of you?
You are evil.
What is wrong with both of you?
I'm just rehearsing, oh. Shut up. I'm just rehearsing.
Will you shut up? Now get out of here.
Ow.
Get out of here.
Stupid girl.
Scarlett.
Scallywag.
Walk out. Get out.
Get out of here.
Pen him. Get out.
Walk out.
Shame on
Shake it.
very silly girl. You can't cook ice for you,
God.
and you're messing it up. Oh, I'm so sorry.
What? What just happened now?
Daddy, this has to stop.
Is this your own idea of a good morning?
Daddy, because there's nothing good about this man.
Why?
Daddy, please, when is Shoma resuming? If she's not resuming, let us hire another chef in peace.
Why?
Because Karen is making breakfast in the kitchen. She's cooking again.
And what is wrong with that?
Dad, everything is wrong. Oh my God, Dad, everything is wrong with that. Dad, listen to me. You're traveling in 2 weeks' time and you're going to be off for months. Daddy, you and Mom separated since I was 6 years old, and since then you've been frequenting America back and front. Dad, when you go off there, what am I going to eat? Am I going to starve and eat poison?
Bianca, what is wrong with you? What exactly are you insinuating?
Daddy, what I'm insinuating is very simple. Scarlett has to go. Daddy, you don't understand. Oh, Daddy, please. Dad, Scarlett has been away for our house for a long time. Since 2 whole years, she's been off this place. We don't even know the new Scarlett again. Daddy, what if she has changed? What if she's not a different person? She just came in from nowhere and we just allowed her into our kitchen cooking for us just like that. What if she poisoned the two of us? Me, I'm not going to allow it to. Because that girl is looking very dangerous. Not like she's even a good person. Very evil girl.
Bianca, have you forgotten that I raised you and Scarlett side by side on that same roof? Huh?
Daddy, I know. You raised us, but Daddy, she has changed. Daddy, listen to me. Scarlett has changed. She's been off for 2 years. Daddy, even in 1 month, human beings normally change. That much more, 2 years. Daddy, please. Let's get a new chef. Send Scarlett away.
What is wrong with you?
Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm starving. I want to eat good food. Hire another chef. Send Scarlett away. Please, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
Ah,
Daddy, please.
Bianca, Scarlett, I called the both of you because I want to address what happened yesterday. Bianca, you're my daughter, and I love you so much. I and your mother went through a lot before having you. Scarlett's mother is my only sister, and I knew how close she was with your mother. In fact, she was the one that introduced your mother to me. I also know the effort she made to assist your mother when she was pregnant of you. And after she died, I decided to take her in as my own daughter, and I vowed...
You vowed to do what, Dad? You vowed to add her as what? Your second child? To be a pain in my life? Huh. Dad, you know what? I don't think I want to be here to listen to all of this. Honestly, I'm not interested. Dad, Scarlett here is an adult. And I want her to leave this house to go figure out her own life. Because I'm sick and tired of her being a pain in my life. I can't have Scarlett share the same love that I have with my father. And then want to share my inheritance? It is not possible, Scarlett. But if you insist on keeping her because you vowed to her mother, then, Dad, I am so sorry. I am not trying to be difficult. But you have to choose. Dad, you have to choose between I and this pretender called Scarlett. And that's final. I'm done talking about this.
Bianca. Bianca!
Uncle. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for causing problems in your home.
No, Scarlett. You did not do anything. And I don't know what has come over Bianca. She's changed. Don't worry. Everything's going to be fine.
Brother Sonto, please look at him. He's been shaking since morning.
Guy, what's up now? What's that happen?
Guy, I don't know how my body did do me. 1 minute, your body go cold. The next minute, it go hot. Like I said, the malaria.
Brother Sonto, he's been like this. I was scared. That's why I ran to call you.
Serious. Has he taken something today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll go hospital.
Hospital. You I never chop the food past 2 weeks now. Where I was the money, I will go hospital.
Brother Sonto, please, we can't just sit and watch him like this. What if he gets worse?
Dan, how many times I don't tell you, say, make you know the high things for me? Look at you now. This is not happen since you know if you tell me. Eh? You cannot talk.
I only disturb you with money.
Guy, forget that. I be your guy. Eh? I know not as you take outside, but I know say you be my guy, so I can do anything for you now. What kind of thing is this now? Eh? Macy, you don't chop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, come go chemist. We go buy medicine. If you take them, if there's no improvement, we'll go hospital. Take. Get some drugs.
Brother Sonto, God bless you. I cannot thank you enough.
Go.
So.
No wahala. Beg,
God
go.
will bless you for me.
Boy, you don't eat.
Yes, yeah.
Oh yeah, go rush. No time. I beg.
Okay.
So sorry. So again.
Sorry, guy.
Where did you get this bag from? Oh. It's from my favorite bag store in Abuja. Always have nice things. It looks expensive. It actually is. It's not cheap. Can I have it? Hi! Bianca, you didn't want me. No, you cannot have it. Like I said, I had to save up quite a bit to buy it, so no.
How am I not even sure you used that money to buy this bag?
No, I did not use your dad's money to buy this bag. I use my money to buy. This world does not revolve around you. That is money now. Some of us can actually afford things even though we're orphan.
So what happened to you being a sweet cousin? You claimed you're my cousin and you love me, so prove it. I want the bag. Let me have it.
I'm not claiming to be your cousin. I'm actually your cousin.
Okay.
And well, for that one, I can always buy you a nice bag. But this one, like I said, it cost me a fortune.
Let
So I
me
can't
see
let it go.
the bag you're hyping as if it's going to gold at the silver.
Well,
Thank you.
no! Is this one okay? Bianca!
Hello, Scarlett. Sorry, I was in a meeting when your call came in. Though I got your SMS that you won't be coming back this weekend.
Yes, sir. I have a lot of research to do, and I need all the time I can spare this weekend to do it.
I see. Anyways, I have something to tell you so that you'll be in the know before time. You know, I've always planned to relocate, but my business is here will not allow me to do that permanently. So I'll be away for 3 months.
Alright, sir. But I have one major concern, as you're not going to be around for long.
What's the problem? Talk to me.
It's Bianca, sir. The way she is fighting me, hope she will allow me to relocate.
You know what? I want you to concentrate on your research. I've already made plans to get a new chef.
A new chef? Oh no, sir, I'm here. I can maybe cook. You know, I love to cook. Just talk to Bianca, sir.
It's Bianca that insisted that I get a new chef. So you just don't worry. I already made a plan for that.
Okay, sir. I'll see you when I'm back.
Thank you. Bye.
Babe, the party tomorrow will be late.
Right.
What are you wearing?
Let me see. Oh my god, girl. I saw this dress with my cousin. I know what I'll do. I'll go in there and ensure I take the dress. Because that girl has been a pain in my life since childhood. So watch me.
Okay.
Watch me go get what belongs to her.
Okay, I trust you.
That girl is a thief.
I
girl.
know you
Father.
got this. Okay.
Watch me, baby.
Bianca. Okay, so what am I going to wear? Let's see.
Omo, Stacy Asha. What is attention to
Where did you keep?
Yeah, what's up?
I don't understand. Is this not Stacey's new collection?
Yes, it is. I got myself one. And I love it. Is there a problem? What's up?
Yes, there's everything wrong with it. There's a problem. Let me even ask you a question, Scarlett. Like, why do you like chancing me in everything in this life? What have I done to you? I saw this outfit just yesterday. And I was just almost trying to get it. And then you went behind me to get the outfit just to be evil to me, right? That's your plan.
Sorry, did you tell me
I was the one who introduced you to this. So why would you go behind me to go and buy the clothes that I wanted to get? Are you not evil? What have I done to you? What have I done to you? You know what? I have an event tonight and I want a dress to wear. So I'm going to wear this. Let me have it.
Excuse you. Wait, I don't understand. You're going to wear what? Because I'm not sure I follow.
You're not sure you follow? I want this dress.
Well, that's fine. If you want it, like you said, rightly said, you introduced me to Stacy's wardrobe. So you can go ahead and just order yours in your favorite color. As for me, this is mine and I love it.
So how am I supposed to go order mine when you bought the last collection?
You know I can't even get this dress anywhere else, so... Scarlett, please just let's not make this a big problem.
No, if you wanted it so bad, you should have ordered it. I mean, besides, you have so many things you can wear. Clothes that you've not even worn.
Interesting.
Yes, so why this one? You have options, please.
You know, I think something skipped my mind. Fine, my bad. My bad, I accept. I should have gone to get this clothes when I saw it first. Because I didn't know that you'd go behind me to go get the same dress that I want to buy.
Well, you should have just hurried, bought it before it got sold out. And there's nothing I can do about it.
Anyways, I want the dress, Scarlett.
Well, unfortunately, someone, aka me, went ahead to buy it before you. And that someone is not willing to let it go.
Okay. For real?
Yeah, for real.
Like you're not going to give me this dress?
Yes, I won't. I have plans for it.
I'll be right back.
I can't wait. Can't wait to wear this. Perfect color, perfect design, perfect feet. I love it.
Mom want to speak to you.
What did you do?
You can have the phone. She want to speak to you.
Hello, Auntie. Okay, Auntie.
Thank you. Okay. Oh,
See?
oh my God. Bianca. What?
Oh my word!
Yes,
This is such a beautiful dress.
You can say that again.
Oh my god.
Yes, my love.
Bianca,
What?
this is stunning.
I know.
And the color?
Oh my God.
Sexy. Sexy!
Oh, but you know what?
What?
I think I'll wear something else. What?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Nothing. You know, babe, man. Listen, I'll just order something online and wear something else.
But I don't understand. You fought for this dress and now you have it. So why do you have to order something else?
You just stated the facts now, girl. I fought for this dress. And what? I have it. And that makes me a winner. That's all I wanted to prove. The points. I want to tell that girl that, whatever you have, I can have it. She cannot be the only smartest thief in this house now. I was sure and say, Mr. Asabi, she's Asabi. Nonsense car.
I want for you.
I beg you. Nonsense.
I want for you.
I beg you.
Anyway, so that means you're going to give me this dress.
You say what? Give me. Give me. Okay.
Bianca for president!
Hey, period.
Uday! Oh, thank you. Bianca.
Okay.
Beside the fear, you don't understand, but just to say, that restaurant, one of the biggest restaurants for Lagos, so that one aside, the private chef job again, that one self, they make me the fear one kind.
I don't understand what they talk. Maybe we want to be the work for all those kind. Besides, you can ask God. Let God will help you. So, what you want to do now? You know, go. You know, you go.
I don't tell you, say the two things where they fear me now. Which one we say, what I want to do? One are the other one are the private one. I don't get what to wear. What I go do? What I go?
How? the interview is on Monday, abi? Okay. On Saturday, my cousin will come. The guy they get Google stuff. So I will help you arrange some from him.
Well, now I appreciate you. You're correct guy. Correct guy.
My own, go interview, go pass and come and give me good news.
Now God will give me that victory now.
Abi?
I dey pray.
I trust you.
No trust me. You know. I cannot go do rubbish for there.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, honey. How are you, daughter?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Hello, ma.
This is Daniel, our new chef. He came yesterday for an interview. I was so impressed. So I asked him to resume fully today. You didn't spend the night here yesterday, else you would have seen how the interview went. But never worry, we're in safe hands.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Okay.
That is one of my daughters. The other one went for her PhD program registration. She'll be back before weekend.
Okay. Ask her anything they like, local, continental. I can cook anything for them.
It's okay. You can get to work now. Your uniform will be ready very soon.
Thank you, sir. Oh, sorry, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Who are you and where's everybody?
Okay, my name is Daniel. I'm the new chef, and everybody went out.
Chef.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Guy, how the place be?
Well, the place is very, very okay. I don't even lie for you. I just want to say, make I thank you, and like I say, God just use you, make you just bless me. Yeah? I don't even know how I want to repay you for this niceness what you don't do for me, my guy. I follow Mercy talk. She talk say your sister just dey spoil am, just dey treat am like a butter for there. Oh, guy, come be like say God send your family to touch my own family to raise us up. I don't know as I want to thank you. I don't even know what I fit do for you, but trust me, forever and ever, I did grateful for you.
A small thing, my guy. And God get all the glory. If I no run am, another person go still run am.
You know, it's no be like you talk, but God no go fit come down by himself, come bless me. You go still use person, and your family you use.
Just make sure say you keep your promise once you collect salary. And make you get that first salary. Make sure you enter university or college.
No worry, that one a sure banker, 100%. Thank you, my guy.
My God, my brother. Alright, now my guy for you.
This guy not correct guy. God help me, bless him. Got to know that you got no shine, but no, rock, baby, rock, I was chilling with the bros.
Jonah, hi.
Hey, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
I'm so sorry for the delay. Breakfast will soon be ready.
Okay, what are we having today?
It was a surprise.
Surprise.
Yes, ma'am.
I trust you.
All
All right.
right. She's fine, polite, sweet. This is I get money, bro. Would they go on dates? You know? Good morning, ma. Well, I'm so sorry, my breakfast is late, but this week. This shit still my body. Why she give me waka like this early morning? Eh? Oh, wow, people do this for me. If she can't find pass like this, now we think what happen.
Femi, please pick your call. I hope he's fine. Femi. Hello? Babe, what's going on? I've been calling you. You don't take my call. For several days now, you've not been taking my calls. You've not said anything to me. What's going on?
Sorry, I've been busy. I was caught in the middle of something.
Babe, now, this is not nice. You know this is not nice now. You know how I've been away, now I'm back, and I've just not been able to reach you. You're not coming to see me. You don't want me to come and see you. And we're supposed to be a couple.
Babe, you know what? I'm going to explain everything to you tonight, okay? I will call you, I promise.
Okay, I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Trust me, take care of yourself. I love you.
I love you too. I'm just happy he's fine. Your baby. Oh.
Good afternoon. I just wanted to inform you that I will be going to the market to pick up some food stuff.
And how's that my business?
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, you are the only one around that I can take permission from. Oga is out of the country, and then your older sister is also not in the country, so you're doing.
Point of correction. Scarlett is not my older sister. Okay? She's my cousin.
Okay.
And just so you know, I am the one and only daughter of Chooks Obi. So get this straight into your tiny skull, because I know you're dumb. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Keep to the side. I want to pass. Just go this way. This way.
Good morning, ma.
Daniel, please. I've told you several times. So, mama business, it's not working for me. Okay, the name is Scarlett, and that's just fine.
I'm sorry, ma.
There you go again. I just said it. Scarlett is fine. I don't like the ma thing that you do.
I'm sorry. Noted.
Cool.
Okay, have it. Hey, excuse me, ma. Sorry. Scarlett.
Is that a problem?
No, it's just your zip. You didn't do it properly.
Oh.
I can help you.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
I'm gonna touch you.
That's fine, please. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Where's my own food?
Oh, it's on the fire. It'll be ready very soon.
My food is still on the fire. Shay, you see, you don't have single sense. My food is still on the fire. What have I done with that? That fire will fire you.
Don't understand, please. See, can we just stop with the insults? As soon as the food is ready, I will bring it to you. I'm doing the best that I can.
You're warning me. Okay, you're warning me now. I should not insult you. As for what?
Priyanka, it's okay. You can have mine. I'll just wait.
What? See, Scarlett, Scarlett, you're the cause of this nonsense. You're the reason why this bombastic element, this idiot, has the power to insult me. You're the reason, Scarlett. You're the reason.
I'm sorry, excuse me, please. I understand that I'm working here as a cook, but that doesn't give you the right to insult me like that. Call me a bombastic element just because of what?
See this imbecile? Because of what? Do your worst. Mad people. And go and clear that plate. Once you're done, clear that plate! Imbecile!
Wow.
Waka shege mugege.
I'm so sorry.
No, I should be.
No, it's fine out. Let me go get the. I'll go get the broom and pack it and fix it.
No, you don't have to be sorry. Wow.
I'm not sure I can do this job. Hello?
Is that for Scarlett?
Yes, ma. She said I should do it before.
Are you serious?
Ma, it's for your sister.
You want to say something? Better.
Yeah, I asked her if she wanted to cook. She said she doesn't want to eat anything. Now she has taken her sister's food. I'm now going to make another one. I don't know why like this now.
Oh, Daniel. Is it ready?
Huh?
Is the food ready?
No, ma. It's not ready. It's not ready, ma. Yeah,
It's not ready. Why is it taking so long? I mean, it's just noodles, isn't it?
I know. It's the thing is that it was ready, but I brought it here. But your sister took it and ate it. But it's fine. I'll make another one for you.
I mean, you've been working since morning. I don't think it's fair to have you make another one. I'll just fix it myself.
Thank you, ma. Just kind of wild about this.
Okay.
Ma?
Oh, wow. I need you to go and wash my car.
Wash your car. That's Musa's job. I'm a chef here. Didn't come here to wash car. With all due respect.
With all due respect. Anyways, I have fired him. Yes, I have. It's not important to have two able. We can't have two able-bodied men in this house, and then one is not useful. Haba. It's not wise. You understand? Besides, cooking is not a stressful job now. You can be cooking, you can cook, open the gate, wash and clean. So what is the problem? What is there? What is there? Please, oh. You can't be gallivanting, loafing around in this house. It's not possible. I'm done. Oh yeah, go and wash the car.
Wash car.
Yes, it's still on.
Santo. If I dey follow you talk like this, you no go believe say na gate I dey. With my chef uniform, I dey gate, they open gate, they close gate. Eh?
When you turn it, man.
Right, as be like this now for this house, I dey do everything. I dey clean, I dey cook, I dey wash. Eh? God. But honestly, if no be say the salary really they pay makes sense for here, God knows say you could not see me for your house. Because at the end of the day, na condition make a fish bend. Like I just do everything I guys do for here until I gather funds. They're not going to see my brake light.
Guy, just calm down. Calm down, okay? Don't worry. Everything goes soft. But just a matter of time.
Oh, I go follow you talk later, John. Make I go see what I go do for them. Alright.
Why do I still have feelings for this guy? I thought I'd let go of the feelings and attraction. What is going on? Oh my God.
I thought you said you no longer like him.
Girl, come on. This guy is just my ideal guy. I like him. I can't even help it.
Then tell him how you feel.
No, I won't do that.
Why?
Not anymore.
I don't understand. I thought you were telling me that you had feelings for this guy and you were ready to confess it to him, so?
Yeah, that was then, but not now because it's late. I can't do that anymore right now.
Why?
Because it's poor. I can't stoop so low to the poor.
Excuse you? You knew he was poor before you said you had feelings for him, right? Didn't you?
Yes, I knew.
So?
So, my point is, back then he was working in a posh restaurant. But now he's just a common chef and now everybody knows he's a poor guy.
Oh my God, Bianca. Love doesn't care about statues, baby girl.
Yes, I know, but right now I can't even allow Scarlett to mock my choice of partner.
Oh, wait. So you are going to kill your feelings for him just because of your cousin?
I don't care.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah. But you know what? Since I cannot have him, I'll show him Pepe. Yeah.
I mean, why? The guy is innocent. What did he do?
Because I can't have him. It's simple. So I'm going to show him Pepe from being poor. I'm going to frustrate his life,
Hey.
Would regret coming here to work.
So for somebody to be poor now is not a problem.
Yes, so there's no peace for the poor.
Bianca, allow the poor breathe
The
now.
poor can never breathe.
So it's a problem to be poor now.
Not dare you.
Oh my God.
Are you crazy? Eh? No, what is good about the evening? Where did you place the ma? Inside your hands. Where is the ma? You're looking at you. Where is the ma? Where is the ma?
I'm sorry, good evening, ma.
I should beg you for ma. Okay, I should be begging you for ma now. That's what you mean now. Just that sorry will kill you. That sorry will kill you, dear. Can you see your life? Misplaced priority. Do you even like take your time to even like look at yourself in the mirror? Do you do that? Because if you do that, you know that you're a very ugly mumwete. An ugly murun, a bamboo and you from the same village. You're not far from bamboo life. Oswala, Imbesu. That's what you are. If you see me next time, you don't put ma. You don't put ma. Hey! You don't put ma, I will kill you. I will bite your ear. The next time I pass, you don't put ma. You don't bend down to greet me. I don't blame you now. You came from a poor home. You are working in a rich man's house. They gave you apron. You look like Father Christmas on a Black Sunday. Ozwonla. Nonsense.
I mean, this one, they talk, say, I did baboon family, say, chimpanzee, 5%. Person will be like, we don't even start this. In fact, no problem. Can't talk anything. Poverty, you do this one, Sha. You do this one. Because on a normal day, this. Yeah, hello, Messi, how are you?
I know they fine.
I don't understand what's happening.
Now my chest. You don't start again. Auntie Chi give me pain reliever, but you no work. I dey in pain, brother.
What happened? Just manage. I dey come there now. They can't see you. Yeah.
Scarlett, where are you coming from?
First of all, good morning to you too. And second of all, why are you asking? I mean, didn't I tell you I was going to drop Daniel at his house so he could see his sick sister?
And then you chose to spend the night there. Like, I'm trying to understand one thing. Like, why would you even choose to spend the night at someone's house?
You, what are you insinuating?
Wow. You want to pretend? Oh, so you know. I know you had evil plans. I know. Because you told me, oh, please, so I just want to go drop him off. And then you went there to spend because you had plans. So you want to go and sleep there?
Well,
in a man's house?
If you must know, Bianca, I spent the night at the hospital. Daniel's sister is on admission there. You can go check on her if you're human enough to do that.
Whatever. I thought the worst happened. But wait. Why am I even so concerned? Or why am I bothered? Why? I don't know. Whatever. Oh, Daniel, you're back. Welcome back. How's everything? How's your sister now?
She's a lot better now. She was discharged, and see, I just want to say thank you. Right? She also sends her regards.
Well, my regards to her as well. Thank God. I'm so happy she feels better.
Thank God. Yeah. Well, see, I don't know. I just want to say
No. Hey, no, get up, please. You can't. Please.
Well, thank you for paying the hospital bills, paying for drugs. You didn't have to do that. Honestly, Me and my sister, from the bottom of our hearts, we want to say a big thank you.
No, it's nothing. Daniel, I promise you, it's not a big deal, okay? If I didn't do it, somebody else would have done it.
It's true, but God used you.
God would have used somebody else.
Okay, so please, if you can only just accept this token, please,
Wow.
as a gift from me and my sister to just show our appreciation, please.
You know you didn't have to do this, right?
I know, but please. Please, I won't be able to live with myself if you don't.
Okay.
And this is just me saying thank you. God bless you. God enrich you.
Wow.
God continue to take care of you.
Daniel, please.
Everything that concerns you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I am so grateful for this.
Thank you so much.
Trust me, I appreciate this.
Thank you so much.
I'll join you.
Thank you so much. What you're doing for me and my family, we will never forget.
Daniel,
We're forever in your debt.
Please.
I pray that God continues to.
You're embarrassing me
God
now.
continues to increase your cost. Anything that has to do with sickness will stay far away from you.
Amen. And you too, okay? You're embarrassing me.
Much.
I'm going to leave my room for you. If you don't, please get up right now.
Thank you.
Daniel.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
I'll make anything you want me to make.
Oh no, it's fine. I already made up my mind. I'm making all the meals today, so you can rest.
Thank you.
It's okay, please.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
grateful.
God bless you.
Amen.
I'll
And you
leave.
too.
Thank you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you so
No.
much.
Daniel, you
So
don't
much.
have to do this. Okay, you're embarrassing me for real.
Thank you. You're well with your family, inviting me to.
Amen. And may affliction never rise the second time.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, God, imagination was that. I'm coming.
Hi, I'm here to see Scarlett.
And who are you? Good afternoon.
I'm Femi, her boyfriend. Oh my God, my darling. I've missed you so much.
I missed you. It's
okay?
so good. Yeah, I'm okay.
All right,
Hey,
let's
come on, go inside. Okay. I know.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, I know.
What's
What's up with you? I wanted to bring you something to drink or eat or, you know.
Anything. I've just missed you so much.
I know.
Just seeing you is just making me
Hey, you don't ever leave me again. Okay? No matter how hard or tough work gets, just always be around me, okay?
All right, no problem.
I'll get you something.
Thank you. That's very good. Thank you. Oh my God.
Maybe here. Quite nice, right?
This is lovely.
No, I told you, Daniel makes the best meals.
I can
He's
see that. I
literally
can really see that.
such a good chef. He
I'm actually
makes.
gonna give you some too as well. I think you should taste it.
Okay.
Good. Wow.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, Daniel, it's okay. Yeah, thank you. We'll have
Yeah,
some.
thanks, bro.
And this is really good, by the way. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. That would be fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
I hope there's still some more of this because I'm sure my baby would love to have some more. Baby, right? Thank you.
It's really good.
I know. I know. Oh, hey. Baby. Bianca. Hi. Meet my boyfriend.
Hi, how you
Femi.
doing?
Hi. Femi. Yes. I hope you're enjoying the food, right?
Yes, I am. It's nice to meet you.
Same.
This is so good.
Right. I know. You can actually have some to go if you want.
Are you serious?
Mhm.
It's great. I'll love to.
So good. So, what's up with you?
I'm just there, you know.
Work, everything, your trip, thing.
Guess what? I couldn't wait to see you all week. Just for this.
My baby. I'm happy you're back.
I'm happy to be back.
Man, I can't just sit like that. I can't. Babe, can you please sit down? Hey, calm down now. I should calm down. How? Yeah, like tell me, how do you want me to calm down? Yeah. If you see this guy.
Oh my god, this guy is fine. What? Listen. The last time I checked, she left this place with no guy. And now she go back after 2 years with not just any random guy, but a hot, sexy dark chocolate. You want me to calm down? Hell no. Girl, I deserve better. I cannot stand this one at all. Never. I deserve this guy, and I must get him.
Well, I mean, she's a woman too, and she deserves to be loved.
Say so. Hell no. Listen, if I would not be in love, she cannot be in love.
And who made that rules?
I did. I did.
Babe, you need to calm down, okay? Your emotions are all over the place. You need to chill.
That's what you think. That's what you think. If I can never find love, she would never find love. And you know what, girl? I deserve one. In fact, I want a man. And I want a man as fast as possible. I cannot deal with this. I want my own love. I want my own man.
Bianca, a man is not jewelry or clothes that you order online.
So what do I do? Say something. What do I do?
What do you want to say?
Babe, please let me drop you off at that junction, okay? So you take a cab home.
I don't understand. What's going on?
I need to be somewhere else right now.
It still doesn't make sense because you said you were taking me to your place.
Yes, but there's a situation. One of my clients needs to see me now, and I don't have any more excuses to give.
So I'm not enough reason for you to postpone or
Babe, stop that now. Why are you doing like that? Be reasonable. Stop it.
Femi, please, let me ask you a question. What do you take me for? A fool? You think I'm stupid?
Okay, I'm sorry, okay? But at this point, there is nothing else I can do. I need to be there.
Stop the car.
Why are you doing like that
Stop
now?
the car right now.
Okay, let me at least drop you off at that junction. Babe.
Now.
Okay, so I'll see you around, okay?
I don't understand. She had a dream or something. I think they soft like this. Ma, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. What's wrong?
I know it's not in my place to say, because I'm just your staff, but I noticed that for the past few days you've been moody, and I just wanted to know if there's a problem. Yes. If there's a problem, maybe I can have a solution or something that can make you feel better.
I'm not sure you can have a solution, but it's my relationship.
Yeah, relationship drama.
Yes, but it's okay. I'll be fine.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
But you know, the thing about relationships is there'll always be ups and downs. But instead of focusing on the things that are bad, sometimes it's better to just focus on the things that make you happy. You know?
Oh, okay, thank you. That's quite a speech. By the way, what's your level of educational qualification? I've been meaning to ask actually, because you speak really well, you know.
I went to University of Calabar and I graduated, but I wasn't able to get a good job and I have to eat and feed my family.
I understand, and I suppose you also have some passion for cooking. That's nice. Thank you.
So it's not passion, I'm just hustling. Back, oh. It's already too late, though. It don't make sense, so where am I going? No.
Ouch!
Ma, what happened?
I was trying to calm down for a second and then I just screamed.
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Walk.
Try.
I cannot.
Sorry. We can get there, sorry.
I'm going to fall. Please
sorry,
hold me
sorry.
properly. Yes, better. My leg hurts.
Sorry. Sorry. Where? This one?
This one.
Okay, let me help you get water. Or
No, just massage it. Don't go anywhere. No. This one.
Sorry.
Get up.
Sorry.
I'm in so much pain.
How manage?
I don't know. I was just trying to climb the staircase.
Sorry. Yeah?
Please help me.
Hey. I heard about your leg. So I'm here to check in. How are you feeling now?
I'm okay. Thanks.
Well, that's good to hear.
I was just worried about you. Needed to be sure that you're fine. Do you need anything?
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm good.
Should I call the doctor?
Let me ask you a question. You know, you told my dad you were coming down here to do your PhD. Did you really come here for that, or you came here to warm different guys' bed?
Excuse you?
Yes, you're well excused, my darling. You're well excused. Because I can see that your plan is to waste my father's money, but it will not work. You understand? It will not work. That plan of yours, you better retrace your step. It will not work, oh. If that's what you came here for, you're lying PhD. Call one big program PhD. Oh, my dear is calling me. Hi, Daniel. The best chef in the whole entire world. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting quite better, but maybe with a few touch of yours, again, I'm sure I'll feel much good. Daniel, is it okay for you to, come to my room so you can help me massage my leg like you did the other time? Yeah, I need your soft touch. Okay, you're coming, right? Thank you, dearie. Thanks. Okay.
Excuse you.
Oh my goodness, you meant that? Oh, you know what? If you're coming, come with ice cream. Yes, I will drink ice cream. I'll take it. I'll manage it. What will I do? Also. Say come. I'm too bad. I am too bad. Okay.
This girl. Why is she always saying hurtful things to me? Always just so mean. Haba. That's even small. Why is she calling Daniel dearie? When that one starts in this house? Anyway, what's my own business with that one? Somebody should just stay, an evil spirit should just be disturbing you. You're just acting angry, steady. On top of people that want to care about you. I pray she heals. I don't understand.
Yes, Dad, I'm fine now.
All right, baby. I'm sorry. Be careful next time, okay?
Okay, Dad. Dad, can I ask you a question?
Of course. What is it, my daughter?
Dad, do you believe in love in movies?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh my God, Dad, come on. You're so old-fashioned. Dad, listen. You have to start watching movies, okay?
What are you talking about?
You know what? Never mind. I'll talk to you later. Bye. God, my dad is so old-fashioned. Can't just relate.
Mieka, what exactly is wrong with you? Why on earth do you keep acting like there's a problem on your head? What is it? Out of all the people you could slap in the world, you went and slapped a soldier's driver. I couldn't even take my test today because your dad kept calling for me to come and bail you out. I swear to God, if not for him, you would have slept behind the bars today. Yes! Why are you looking at me acting surprised? What exactly is it? Can't you take control of your emotions for once and act like an adult instead of getting angry at every tiny little thing? Of all people you could slap in the world, is soldier's driver you went to slap. Shame on you, shame. I beg, get a hold of yourself.
Just hold on. No, wait. Are you talking to me like this?
Yes. So you mean you're trying to raise your voice to me like this? You orphan? Like you have the right to raise your voice at me?
You just call me.
Oh, yes, you...
Oh, you think I'm joking?
You're an orphan. You're a bloody orphan. That's what you are.
And let me make it clear to you one more time. You should be thankful to God that your parents are dead. Because if they were alive, I'm not sure they can afford to live in such a luxurious home. Now you have the right to talk to me like I'm your slave. Let me just warn you. Next time you watch the way you talk to me or less, I will deal with you. Bloody orphan.
Silly girl.
Danny! Hello, how you doing? Okay, so I want you to come inside because the sun is a bit hot. Nah, you can't be outside here. I got someone to do the job, so come inside and relax. It's going to be here in an hour time. Ma? Nah. Don't call me Ma. My name is Bianca. Okay? B for short.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, Bianca.
Better. Bianca. I love when you call me that. Anyway, so yeah, let's go inside. I have one request. I don't know if you can grant it for me. I'll be so happy, trust me.
It depends. You want me to cook something for you or...
Nah, I don't want you to cook for me. I want to treat you to something good. Okay? There's this movie that came out last week. I've been dying to go see the film with someone really special. And I think it's you. What? What's that? So what are you looking at?
Someone really special.
Yeah, you're special. Please say yes, let's go. All bills on me. Everything you want, I'll do it for you, trust me. Popcorn, drink, wine, just name it. Say yes. Is that a yes? That's a yes. So yeah, we're good. Okay, so yeah, come inside, let's go. Come.
This one I'll smoke something.
Yes, I like chicken and chips for myself. Babe, what would you like?
I think I'll just have chicken and curry pasta.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, slowly. You don't get that. I'm sure. It's just planning
I'll
right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You look so gorgeous.
Eh? So it is true. Uncle Oshi. Eh? Please come. Please, I want snail with pepper, enough pepper. Do you sell Nkwobi here? You don't sell Nkwobi here. That's what I want. That's what I want now.
I can't afford all of that. What are you
No, that's what your kids want now.
What's this? What's going on here?
I'm his wife. Huh? And he said you can't afford it. So you can't afford it, Bawo. Mama, so go. Just here. Oh, few months, I'm more leg. You left me and the kids there in Abuja. And you're here doing rubbish. Don't show she kiri. Don't show she. The man here.
Excuse me, please.
Hello, I say come back here. Oh, you don't have it. And you don't have the money to pay.
Madam, so sorry. I think there's been a mix-up. Okay.
Mix-up,
Baby,
yeah.
what's going on?
Mix-up with Bawo. Mix-up with Bawo. This man is married. Legally married.
Yes.
He has 2 kids with me. You can go to my Instagram handle. Check Miss Joy Akins.
Well, how am I supposed to even believe you? I mean, you don't even have a wedding band.
I forgot it at home. Yes.
You're married?
Yes, with 2 kids. 2. And he's the father of the kids. But if you doubt me, you can go to my Instagram handle. Joy Akins. Even my Facebook page, you can still go there and feed your eyes. Hello, how far coming? You can still go there and feed your eyes. Our wedding pictures, even our naming ceremony, our children, is there. Feed your eyes. Beautiful lady. I like it so much, you. I know that I've not taken you to the house here in Lagos. Koshi! Hello, I'm not done talking to you. Excuse me. Oloshi. I don't know she. I just want to shame me by one my order by. Yeah, boy, I don't talk about. Oh yeah, order. Don't waste my time. You're being fine boy up and down. Look at it. Even wear earring. You. I will get shake gay. Labuja, you. I'll shock you. Don't beg me. Order, Femi. Order now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Scarlett. Scarlett, wake up. Wake. Wakey. How you doing? Pretty girl. Anyways, I noticed that since I got back from my trip, you haven't. You've been indoor. You haven't stepped out, even for once. Is there something I should know? Anyways, you know what? Let me just get straight to the point. What is going on? What is happening? What do you mean? Come on. Do not play dumb. It seems you've forgotten that the man you call father happens to be my own biological father. You told him you were heartbroken, so of course I should find out. You know what? I never knew you were this stupid and like you were dating a married man for 2 years with 2 kids, and you never knew. Ha! My God, though. So like you could be this dumb. I didn't know. Dear Lord, please forgive me for my sins. Forever doubting you, thinking that Scarlett here is smarter than I am. Yeah, you're not smart. You are dumb. I mean, like dumb as dumb. Well, it's okay. You know what? I just got back with my friends from a trip together that I planned myself. So I said, let me come in here to know how you're faring. I hope you're healing well. Just in case you want to heal properly. I could plan some girls trip next week. So you can tag along. You can just join us, so you can heal properly. Because I know you're going through it. Girl, I know you're going through a lot.
I mean, like a lot. Mm. Mm. Chai.
Fine, but stop. No easy. Hmm?
Okay. I think I have to go. Bye. Bye. Hey, moo 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 moo. Hey, they call me moo moo. I'm not so first lover. They call me. Ozmo. Bye, girl.
What is this again? More gifts.
Right.
You got them for me?
I got everything for you.
I don't understand what's going on. Like, why you keep getting me gifts? This is not my birthday. Why are you being so nice to me?
It doesn't have to be your birthday. Okay? You know what? Let's just say this is a puzzle. And I want you to figure them out. Okay? I'll be leaving you to go solve them. Start solving.
I don't understand. Why is she being so nice to me? Who's this girl? She buy me gifts. Guy, how far?
What about you?
I do.
No vex, Jerry. I supposed to call back yesterday, but the network was not good at all.
Yeah, for this whole world, I never see man will like me bore with you.
Oh yeah, now. That the chase where they give me complete time now.
I don't understand, my brother. If you see the new one, we should just do like this now.
What you should do?
So I follow you talk now. One bag, dey for my bed. Another set of gifts.
What you should do?
I say she don't buy me another set of gifts like this now. Now I had to look for my bed.
Are you the rent now? But I beg, shine your eyes. Poor guy like you not supposed to collect gift from rich girls. Anyhow. Anything where you know say you no go fit chop, no go to smell them. Be careful. I beg you.
I know, brother. I go shine my eye because this one now, like, see make devil they give person gift.
So how is Messi?
Let's see. Now, the only thing where they give me joy like this right now, she did do a first semester test.
I beg, make she read them well. Focus. God go to help him.
I know. I always tell her. Anyway, my guy, I will follow you talk later.
No wahala. Oh yeah, now. I call you later.
This girl waiting for sacrifice. Sir.
I didn't hear you coming.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you.
It's okay.
Good to see that you're looking better.
Thank you. And I mean, it's all thanks to you, really. Thank you for being there for me in my trying times.
I look at you,
Even though
make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't
seeing you smile.
be with you.
When you smile, it brings joy to your house.
Killing me to see you with someone else.
still haven't
What
gotten that
to
yet.
do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile.
Oh,
Listen, let me help you with that.
It's fine. I just wanted to do this today.
Is this my office? Leave my office.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you.
Yeah, what?
Every time
No.
when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something
that's a
about
different-
you. I wish you were mine. And it
Danny, come join me.
No, I'd rather not.
I insist. Come have a seat. Listen, this film is so interesting. I want us to watch it together. A lot of popcorn and wine for you to drink. Come. Sit down. You have some.
Okay, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Darling, look at this. This is so funny. Whew. Danny. Oh my god. Oh wow, this movie is cracking me up, honestly.
nothing ever felt as good.
I thought to give you some water because you've been reading or working all day and it's good to drink water.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful.
It was a pleasure.
I'm happy to see this smile on your face again. Madam Scarlett, I don't know if I can say it, but you have a very beautiful smile on you. So please be smiling more.
Well, I will bear that in mind. Thank you.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Oh, Daniel, this means a lot. Thank you.
It amazes
Welcome.
me
Like I said earlier, if you need anything, let me know.
Harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life.
Babe, my dad called
Forgiving
on.
ourselves.
He said he'll be around by next month, which means all this Daniel thing has to come to an end. Because by the time he gets here, I have to cook up a story.
Okay, what have you been doing? Hmm? Why don't you just tell him how you feel? So both of you can become a thing before your father comes back. I mean, is it that love story that you always dreamt of will come true? A love story of a prince disguising as a chef to find his princess.
Oh my goodness. Please don't make me laugh, okay?
Isn't that what you wanted?
What do you want me to do? What should I do? Like, I've literally thrown myself at this guy. I have seduced him. I have bought him gifts. I've done everything. Yeah, this guy act like he doesn't see me.
Girl, you're so smart to ask me what to do. I mean, he's your staff, so he's just trying to, maintain boundaries. I mean, you should know this. Mm-hmm.
That's true.
Mm-hmm. So, why don't you go get your man before it's too late?
I love the sound of that.
Gracias. Say no more.
Ah.
And you look amazing.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome, baby. Bianca for president.
Clock it.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Not bad. My office.
Well, you would excuse me because today I am
Mhm.
taking over your office.
Please, you're not allowed in the office, okay? Just go sit down in your room.
Sorry, I think
watch
you didn't know
TikTok.
that like cooking was one of my hobbies.
So, are you trying to say that you are in any way a good
Yes,
cook?
I'm a better cook and I'm going to prove
I
it.
don't understand how. It's not about watching you, right? Honestly, I can't hold myself anymore. Madam Scarlett, I'm so attracted to you. I know I have no reason because obviously I'm just a cook here, but I love you. I'm s- Stop, Lord. Hmm? So allow me to cook. Okay?
How about we do it together?
That'll be nice.
Okay. You'll be the
You can
supporting
actually see what
chef
you
today.
can do now. I'm taking up my chef hat, so yeah.
Good. Got this. Hi.
Good morning, sis.
Good morning.
I hope you slept well like a baby.
Oh, yes, I did. How about you?
Oh my God, mine was awesome. I slept so well.
Cool.
I can see you stepping out. Please, when you're coming back, make sure you get me something. I think ice cream would do. I love ice cream.
Okay.
Whew. Bye.
Bye.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. Oh my God.
What's going on?
Where are you going to?
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasted something that was good right from the start. Let me
I wonder why Scarlett is keeping me again.
I don't know.
Darling, are you sure everything is okay with Scarlett?
Dad, why are you asking?
Because she's been a bit cookie since I came back.
Dad, have you forgotten her heart got broken? So maybe that's the reason.
That's weeks ago.
I know.
And still I spoke to her recently and she told me everything is fine.
Dad, can you please allow us eat this food? Scarlett is an adult. If she's hungry, she'll come down to eat. Okay? Please don't bother yourself, okay? This food is so delicious and I'm enjoying it. So let's enjoy our food. Hmm? Do you want me to feed you? Are you sure? Dad, eat.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down, so you could see my side and how it feels to hit the ground.
Why can't I seem to find Janelle? Why does it feel like love isn't meant for me? Within 2 months, I have suffered 2 heartbreaks. What was I even thinking? I didn't even take my time to heal. I just wanted someone to fill the space. And now look at me. At this point, I just need to focus on my program. Forget about love. Forget about everything else.
don't know what happened. I just blacked out. I'm sure she drugged me or something because that's the only reasonable explanation. Please believe me. It's you that I want to be with. It's you that I see myself having a future with. Imagine me having a future with her. Have her now. No. She's wicked. Her insides are black. I remember how she treated me when I first came here. How she treated me like filth. Splashed water on my face. Called me all sorts of degrading names. Why would I want to be with someone like that? It's only you that I have eyes for. Please. Please believe me.
Eh? That your cousin can be such a bad luck. I mean, she just came out from a relationship. She's already running after Daniel.
My sister. Are you seeing what I'm saying? No, are you seeing what I'm saying? Now the worst part is the fact that that stupid guy keeps begging her everywhere. Yeah? The thing they pay me back. It is so irritating. I can't believe this. But you know what? I won't let her win. Because I met that guy first. He was my crush. So I won't just let her come from nowhere to steal my man away from me. You're not gonna walk.
I mean, you met him first. You loved him first. I mean, so he's yours. And you have to deal with her.
Okay. Look what they say now.
And she have innocent face.
They're bad parts now. Those innocent faces. If they're the witches and wizards.
Fear them.
Fear will not fear them.
Bianca, you said you wanted to say something to me. And you've been staring at me for minutes. You are getting me worried. What is it?
Dad?
Yes, what is it? What is this?
I am pregnant.
What? You are pregnant?
Yes, Dad.
Who got you pregnant? How? When? Oh, God.
I'm sorry.
I want you to get married. Bianca, marriage before motherhood.
Dad,
Now, who is responsible for the pregnancy?
Daddy.
Speak before I hit you this!
Daddy, I will talk. It's Daniel. Daniel.
Daniel? Who the hell is Daniel? The governor's son? Your schoolmate? Who the hell is Daniel?
Dad. Daniel, the cook.
What?
I'm sorry.
Daniel!
Dad, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Daniel! You must be out of your mind. You got my daughter pregnant under my own roof. Oh my God. I'm dreaming.
Uncle, what's going on?
Can you imagine this? This idiot got my own daughter pregnant. I will make sure you rot in jail. I will make sure that you pay with everything that you owe there. Now, I want you to go in there, pack your things, and leave my house.
Dad, please.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Dad, I can explain, please.
You have 5 seconds to leave.
Dad, I love him.
Starting now.
He loves me too.
1, 2,
I swear that.
3.
Dad, I love him and he loves me too. Dad,
Will you shut up?
Dad, I'm sorry. Daddy, please. Daddy, please, I can explain.
How can you do this to me?
Dad, I love
With
you.
everything that I have done for you.
Dad, I'm sorry.
Can you imagine this girl? Under my own roof!
Dad, I'm sorry. Daddy, please, I'm begging you. Just give... Daddy, please, Daddy loves me. He's in love with me. He tells me he loves me every time. Daddy, please. I love him too, Dad, please. Why? Why does she always want whatever I have? Why?
Guy, what did they happen for this matter, sef? Why be say these people no one see you? They no one hear from you. You don't call Chief. Chief no pick your call. You don't call his sister. That one no pick. Even the one who talk say you give her belly. She no pick. She no return call. She no visit. Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? Me, I never see this kind of thing before. The thing where they vex me now like this, and because I warn you, I told you. Hey, food where you know say you no go chop. Why you they go they smell them? Why? Any relationship where tie rich man and poor man, you know they work. You know they work. You know say if you no see that baby again, ever. Now you have lost your job. You have lost everything. Ah! Now wow. Rich man no go let poor man rest. Well, the mistake has been made. We don't make mistake, we say you don't make them. I think the best thing now is make we define solution. Abi? A solution we go define. Or just leave everything, find solution. God go help you. God go help us. But I can still put myself inside. Abi? No worry yourself. I beg. Oh, wow.
So Chas called you?
Yeah, he called.
He just called to apologize, saying he's sorry. And because I love him, yes, so just forgive him.
I see. So that is why you didn't go along with your initial plan with Daniel.
That one. I didn't forget that one. That one's just filling the void. Not like I really care or like him that much. I beg.
So, what about the pregnancy?
The pregnancy? Of course you know it's fake.
I know. So, are you going to lie about a miscarriage or something?
Nah. You know what? I'll just, hold on for a while and keep it to myself. I don't want that girl to be happy in any way. I want her to remain sad and unhappy.
So you wait.
Yeah, I'll just wait for the love to fade. And when it fades off, then I'll just watch. So for now, I'm just gonna keep it cool and act.
Bianca.
Yeah.
You're such an actress.
Oh yes, baby. Oh my God. Dad, you called me. It's midnight. I hope all is well.
Bianca,
Sir?
why do you drive Joy causing havoc?
I don't understand. How, Dad?
Take a look at this result. Your name. That is pregnancy test result. You remember the day we went to see the doctor and I asked that we do our normal, regular family checkup. I planned with the doctor to have your blood sample tested for pregnancy test. So, Bianca, you are not pregnant. And you choose to lie against that innocent chef just to punish him.
Daddy, I'm sorry. Dad, please forgive me. Because I love him so much, I didn't know how to express myself to him to convince him that I love him. Daddy, I'm sorry.
And you decided to plot evil against an innocent soul.
Daddy, it's just out of love. Daddy, please. Daddy, please forgive me. Daddy, please forgive me. Find it in your heart to forgive me, please.
Get out of my sight.
Daddy, you know I'm your one and only.
Out of my sight.
Daddy, please forgive
Now!
me. Daddy, please forgive me. I'm your one and only. Daddy, please. Because I love him, that's why. Please. Daddy, please.
What do you want?
Listen, look, I don't know how to explain to you. I love you. Alright? I love you and I've been miserable without you. And I don't want to spend another day knowing that you hate me. I know it might seem sudden, but you're everything to me. Please.
Are you okay? No, is everything okay with you? You're coming here to tell me that you love me? After getting my sister pregnant? Is that your definition of love?
I don't understand.
Bianca is not pregnant. She fooled us all. I called Daniel. We talked. You see, Scarlett, I've realized that Daniel likes you very, very much. And everything he told you, is the truth.
Uncle, it still does not make sense. It still doesn't make sense to me. Okay, if he cares about me, why did he sleep with her?
He didn't sleep with her. Yes. I overheard my daughter talking on phone with her friend. She made it up.
No, I know, because I remember that day she forced me to drink, right? I drank. And then the next thing I blacked out, but I was saying it that there's no way that I will have slept with
You
her.
couldn't even defend, please. You couldn't even defend yourself.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, look, see. Please. I honestly will do anything in my power. Anything for him to forgive me.
You said you loved me.
Yes, ma.
Is that the truth?
100%.
Hey, come on. Get up.
It's just for a minute. I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it. I'm out of ideas. I don't know.
Dad, I don't understand what's going on. Mom just called me now to say that I should relocate to America. Why should I do that? I don't understand.
Because you have done enough.
How? Yes.
You have done enough havoc in this house and in the lives of people. I can't take it anymore. I know that your mother raised you this way. So you go back to her so that she can see the monster she created. Maybe she will be ashamed enough to correct her mistakes.
Daddy, you know I don't like that place. I can't go there. You know.
Your flight leaves 6 p.m. tomorrow. So get ready or I will get boys to bundle you into that flight.
Daddy, why are you being so mean to me?
One more word from you. I will make sure you do not step your feet out of this house until that flight is ready to move. And don't try to play smart with me.
Daddy, what have I done now, Daddy?
Now out.
Out! Daddy, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to go. I'm not going. I won't go anywhere.
I'm so glad that we're finally here. You know, away from all of the drama, misunderstanding, framing. And I just want us to try and start on a new, fresh slate. This time around, not as your staff, as your boyfriend, officially.
Of course I'll be your girlfriend.
Not so much. You know, the thing is, I know that like we haven't. Probably not where you want me to be as a man, but that's it.
Darling,
Sir.
first of all, I want to thank you for coming into my home to work here. I appreciate your zeal, your dedication, and your loyalty. And I can also see that you have brought some happiness to my daughter. And for that reason, I would like to support your restaurant business. Yes. I will make available the sum of 50 million naira for a start. And we'll see how the business goes there.
Uncle.
No. Really appreciate it. Promise you that you will not regret it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So happy.
I'm so happy.
The check will be ready tomorrow morning.
Appreciate you.
Uncle with the doings. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
And let's not forget, this. Make sure you take care.
We're very long. I appreciate you so
Am I looking at the late?
Big chef in the building. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I don't know what to do.